So the first step to healing anything is awareness. I believe that at this level, you know that. Then we have to be brutally honest with ourselves. Number one, where in my life am I blaming others? Could it be my finances? Could it be my relationships? Could it be my spiritual life? What exactly is it? Could it be my parenting? Could it be whatever it is? But we have to ask ourselves honest questions. Where exactly in my life am I blaming others? And in most cases, you're going to find thoughts like this. I mean, I've been into this, so I know how it functions. You're going to be finding thoughts like this. If only my boss gave me a chance, I could have shown more. If only my partner had listened better, our marriage could have been better. If only my family had supported me, I would be further in life. If only the president changed, I could have had a better situation. Now, these are very limiting thoughts, or these are limiting beliefs. Catch these thoughts. They are signals. They are signals to what the problem is. And you should know what you can't fix, you won't face. So allow me quote Jim Rohn. He said that disgust and decision are two of life's greatest motivators. That means you have to get to a point of saying, I'm tired of this story. I want to write a new one. Okay, so let me hope that has been helpful. Awareness. So the second phase, the first one was more about awareness, identifying where is the problem is, which areas am I blaming others, and what thoughts accompany that habit. Now we're going to go to stage number 2. So we are ideally going to shift the language. We're going to shift the language, or shift how we speak. Blame lives in your words. I don't want you to forget that. Blame lives in your words. So to change your life, clear? To change your life, you must first change your language, or how you speak. Let me give you an example. They never helped me. Try to say, I didn't seek out the help I needed. Instead of saying the economy is bad, say, I haven't figured out how to succeed in this economy yet. So ideally, we are looking at some sort of negative confession and turning it around. Okay? So this shift puts power back in your hands, and that's the goal. Remember, the goal is to put power back in your hands.